That's the card from Aunt Kaka. Can you say Kaka? Austin's sitting down for dinner, enjoying the card that Aunt Kaka gave him and a piece of steak. Can you sing? How's that work? Is that magic? Reed, is that silly? Is that silly, little boy? Austin, is that silly? Is that silly?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Kaka? Thank you, thank you, thank you. How about Kaka? Can you say Kaka? Thank you, Kaka. Thank you, Kaka. I'm sure this will never get old. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's on your lip, Austin? Is that some barbecue sauce? Yes, thank you, Kaka. We've heard this 100 times already. We love you, Kelly King. Thank you. Yay! You say, yay! With more enthusiasm. Yay! Yay! Don't get up. I'll bring it to you.